Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Traveler B0, B9V, 9H8XZ, and the Summit S-470, B002, BCSX0Y. Quite a price difference.
Yeah, the Traveler is around $449, while the Summit S-470 is like 5 times that at $2,299.99. What accounts for the massive difference?
Well, the Traveler is all about portability. It's designed to be compact and easy to move, weighing only 32 pounds. Think camping, tailgating, grilling on the go. It even folds down.
Ah, makes sense. The Summit, on the other hand, is clearly a stay-at-home grill. It's probably way heavier.
Definitely. And bigger. The Traveler has a cooking space for about 15 burgers, while the Summit boasts a total of 580 square inches, making it ideal for larger gatherings.
So capacity is a big factor. What about the burners and power?
The Traveler has a single burner with 12,000 BTUs. It's enough for basic grilling, but nothing fancy. The Summit, though, that's a beast. It has 4 main burners, pumping out 48,800 BTUs, plus a side burner, a sear station burner, a smoker burner, and even a rotisserie burner.
Wow, that's a serious grilling machine. So the Summit has all the bells and whistles. Does the Traveler have any cool features besides portability?
It does have tool hooks, a side table, and a built-in thermometer, which are nice touches. And it's compatible with both a 1LB propane tank for portability or a larger 20 pounds tank with an adapter. But yeah, the Summit is loaded. It has lighted control knobs, a fuel gauge, and even a grill-out handle light.
Sounds like the Summit is the ultimate grilling experience. But the Traveler is perfect if you need something you can easily take with you.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you need. If you're a serious griller who loves to entertain and has the budget, the Summit is the way to go. But if you just want something simple, portable, and affordable, the Traveler is a great option.
Good summary. I guess it depends on whether you want to grill on the go or have a grilling station at home.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.